Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So welcome back to my channel in networking session. So now we I will continue my MPLS backbone configure, and in the routing CA. So in yesterday or in my past video, I configure the CA VPN with the routing AGRP. So now I will routing the CA another CA with the routing BGP. So you can see in my topology, yesterday I configure the CABRE1 with the routing AGRP to C and to CABRE2. So now we will configure the CABCA1 and CABCA2 with the routing BGP. So first we have to activate the VPN first. So into the configure terminal in PA1 and set the BGP 6500 address family VPN v4. Set the neighbor 3.3.3.3. Activate. Okay, and the PA2 as the 3.3.3. We're gonna into the configure terminal and set the router BGP. BGP 6500 address family VPN v4 neighbor 1.1.1.1. Activate. Okay, so now the VPN in the IPLS has was active. So now we will set the routing configure with the BGP between PA and C. We start from the PA first. Because we have the BGP here, so we're gonna use that BGP. There is the BGP 6500. Address family IPv4 VRF BCA2. Okay, because we have set before the BCA1, sorry, BCA1. Okay, we submit the IP VRF, which is the BCA1. So I'm gonna set the neighbor. The neighbor is the IP address. Is the router CABRE SABCA1 IP address. The neighbor from BGP PA1 is the IP address from the CABCA1. That is the 11.11.2, because we set the IP address here. We set the IP address linked to the BCA2 with the IP address 11.11.1. So the neighbor is 11.11.11.2. Remote as 100. Yeah, 100. I think I forget to say 100 and 1000. So I think this is the 65,000 and 100. Okay, as 100. So neighbor 1.1.1.2 activate, and also neighbor 11.11.2 has override, and then the distribute connected. Okay, so we're gonna move to the PA2. Set the router BGP 65,000. Okay, and address family PNP4 IPv4 PRF BCA2. Submit the IPv4. Set the neighbor. The neighbor is router BCA2 with the address 14.14.14.2. Okay, 14.14.2. remote as 100, and then activate, and also set the as override, then redistribute connected. Okay, we have the router BGP in PA1 and PA2 was redistribute the configuration. So now we will configure to the router CABCA1 and also CABCA2. Okay, okay, because the router CABCA1 is empty from any configuration, so we will set the IP address first. To the configure terminal, set the interface ether 0, set the IP address 14.14.55.14.2, I'm sorry, 5.5.5.0, and also the interface loopback 0. The loopback is 5.5.5.15 55 to 55 to 55 to 55 IP address. Okay, so now we will set the BGP, set the router BGP 100 because we set the redistribute in the PA1 and PA2 as uh, the 100. Yeah, I mean in PA1 we set the neighbor 11. Oh, I'm sorry, I think I wrong set the wrong IP. The IP address is 11 2 55 55 55 0. Okay, so we're gonna set the router BGP 100. Neighbor 11 11 11 1, remote as 65,000 because in the router PA1 the BGP is BGP 65,000. And then set the network. The network is the IP loopback, that is 5.5.5.5, and set the mask, subnet mask. Don't forget to write the mask 255 255 255. Okay, so in CABCA2 enable configure terminal. Before that, in the CABCA1 I forget to change the name, so gonna change the name first. Host name CABCA2, CABCA1. Okay, then here host name CABCA2. Okay, we're gonna set the IP address first. Shutdown IP address 14 14 14 2 55 55 55 0. Set the loopback. The loopback is 7.7, 255 255 255 255. Okay, and then we're gonna set the router BGP. Router BGP 100. Set the network. Before that, we're gonna set the neighbor first. Neighbor 14 14 14 1, remote as 65,000. So we're gonna set the network. The network 14 14 14 2 with the mask 255 255. The network is IP loopback, sorry, 7.7, and then the mask to 55 55 5555. Okay, so now we will do show IP route. Gonna check the configuration. Okay, there is the network 777 and 14. So the router CBCA2 connected to the 777, which is the CABCA1. So we can do ping to the IP loopback, and also we can ping uh, to the IP address 11.2. Okay, there is the some wrong. Okay, I think I found the problem. I Here I set the wrong IP address, so I fix the IP address first. So now if I check the configuration, so there is the router, the IP 7.7.7, which the CABC1, and before this I think this 777 is routing BCA1. So now if we look to the IP route, okay, there is the IP for 5.5.5, which is the IP loopback for the BCA1. It's okay. Now we can do ping to the 5.5.5.5. Okay, and also we can ping the IP address. Okay, from the CBC1, ping to the IP loopback. Okay, and ping to the IP IP address. Okay, so now CBC1 can send the package across the MPLS backbone to the CBC2 with routing BGP. So maybe this is from me today. So after this I will also use the configuration of OSPF for connecting CA with CA to the PA. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.